So you're eyeing the Exxon Mobil card to save a little at the pump, but you've got that one nagging question. Is my credit score good enough? It's a super common thought, so let's break down what score you'll likely need, what the data says about your chances, and how you can boost them. Alright, let's not beat around the bush. What's the magic number? For your best shot, you're generally going to need a credit score in the fair to good range. Most people who get approved have a score of 640 or higher. In fact, data shows the average approved cardholder is sitting right around a 695. But hey, don't get discouraged if your score is a little south of that. The card is issued by Citibank, and we've seen reports of people getting approved with scores in the low 600s. Just know that if you squeak by with a lower score, you might start with a pretty low credit limit, sometimes just a few $100. So while your score is a huge piece of the puzzle, it's definitely not the only piece. Before you apply, take a minute to check your real credit score, the same one lenders use. It's also smart to review your full credit report for any errors that could be quietly dragging your score down. The good news? You can access both your score and report for almost free for 7 days. If you want to check yours now, the link to get started is waiting for you in the video description. So what else does Citibank look at? They also weigh your annual income, how much debt you're already carrying, and your overall credit history. Just to paint a picture, the average person approved for this card makes over $90,000 a year and is using about 31% of their total available credit. Having a solid income and keeping your credit card balances low can really make your application shine. So the bottom line is this. While a credit score of 640 or more gives you a fantastic shot, it isn't a golden ticket. The healthiest thing you can do is focus on building a strong credit profile across the board. And here's a pro tip. If you apply and get denied, don't just give up. It can be worth calling their reconsideration line to have a real person take a second look at your file.